Hello and welcome back to Modification. Today we're going to learn about destructuring assignment in JavaScript. It makes it so you can declare and assign to multiple variables on the same line. Right hand side, an array or object. Left hand side, one or more variable names declared similar to arrays or objects. This is very similar to tuple unpacking in Python. The values on the right are unpacked or destructured into variables on the left. Let brackets a comma b equals brackets 1 comma 2. Now a equals 1 and b equals 2. Simple modification. Assuming a and b are already defined, this subtracts 1 from a and b on the same line. Swap. Again, assuming a and b are already defined, a comma b equals b comma a, that swaps a and b. Less variables than values in an array. Assuming something like let a comma b equals 1, 2, 3, a will be 1, and b will be 2, and 3 just won't be assigned. More variables than values in array. Let a comma b equals 1, a will be 1, and b won't be assigned. Skipping array values. Let comma 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 a comma b 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Commas skip 3 values ahead, so a is 4 and b is 5. Breaking into numbers and arrays. A is 1 and b is the array 2, 3. The ... spread operator collects the rest of the values into an array. Yes, if you know about the spread operator flattening, you'll be very upset that it works differently depending on the context. It's not specific to arrays. You have const, pal, abs, pi, square root equals math. Now you have these functions to use without having to say math dot. To keep the syntax simple, match variable names with the properties you're destructuring. So in this example, let person equals name Bob, age 23. Let brackets name comma age equals person. Now you can access the name member and the age member by just using those variables. Ciao.